here we go. As you can see, it's the rear left tire that I've taken off, and that's what I'm going to change right now. As you can see how I have it laid out, and at the bottom I got a jack holding up, so that way I'll get this off. Car's up on jacks, all 4 jacks, as you can see. Cars all lifted up, so it gives me plenty of room. Alright, here we go. Got the vice grip. I got the socket down here, the wrench right here, and it's gonna take it off right now. Here we go. Put some pressure on it. Okay. Okay, what happened here? There you go. There you go. It's coming right off. Loosening. There you go. And I'm turning it. There you go. It's coming right out. There you go. Came right out. Now I just take this off. Put this right here for now. There. Now, look at this. Get right out. There you go. There it is. Came right out. Alright. Okay, you see that part right there? I got this right here connected. Socket. Take this nut out. There we go. Put that in here. Okay. And let's do this. There you go. Nice and easy. Came right out. There you go. As you can see, came right off. Alright. It's beautiful. Alright. Now that I got this right here lifted, and I had this, as you can see, the way I did it, had the breaker bar leaning against that floor at that angle, so when this comes out, when it spins, and it holds it in. And that's how I did it. Take this socket out. Look how easy that was. Just came right off. Because I got that lifted a little bit. And I'm going to pull this right off. There you go, came right out. Alright, here we go. Now that everything's off and getting ready to put the new one in, I bought the shock, but I didn't get the other pieces for it. So like this piece right here, this is the top part of it, and I'm going to coat it with this right here, silicone paste. Now it's good for rubber. It prevents oxidation, lubricants, safe on metal, rubber, and plastic parts. So this is what I'm going to use for this rubber piece right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'll take this part of the shock, the top part, and when I put it on, I'm going to make sure, like with the old one, this was facing outward. So I'm going to have this facing the way it was with the old one. And I'm going to do the same, put some silicone paste right here, just coat it, the rubber piece on it, and then insert it. You just take it and just give it, just put it right on it like that. Now what this does, it'll make it last a little longer, and it'll keep it from getting dry rotted. That's the key. Keep it from dry rotting. So I'm just gonna put that on like that, coat it, and it will never crack on me again. So just do that. Just put that right up there. Just let it sit. And I take the shock. Same thing. Just coat that bottom part right there. Coat it all around. So that way it'll last years and years. I don't have to worry about it dry rotting. Always keep the shape and all that. It won't crack. Silicone paste. That's what you use. So just kick it around like that. And that's it. She's ready. Put on. Get a rag. Make sure you don't get that on yourself. Okay. Now put her on. Just like that. Right there. And just spin it. Yeah, it went in. All right. Okay, right there. That's gonna go in right there. Okay. Move the shock a little bit. Yeah. Perfect fit. Okay. Here it is. Stick that right in here. It's going in. Perfect. I lifted the jack just a little bit. Give me that leverage. Went right in. So now that's in. Alright. Now I'm going to set this baby up right here the other way. Since I'll be turning right. It's in there. Now I'm on the ground, so I'm just laying down on the floor. And let me see if I can get this case going. There you go, alright. Stick that in there like that. Try to do this. Stick them right in there. Alright. There you go. Oh. Oh, okay. That's it. All I gotta do now is torque it. But I'll torque it when it's set it down. Let me just give it another good shot. There we go. Done. Alright. She's in there. There you go. Get ready to tie the top part. Okay. Put that down here like that. Okay, right now it's just spinning it. Like that. Alright. Just screwing it in, but this part's not going up. But I have to lift the jack up. As you can see, now it's going up in. Now it's up. Okay. That's what I had to lift the axle up in order for this piece to go up, and I could continue tightening it. Yeah. I think that's good right there. It's already tight as it could be. Everything feels lined up in place. And that's it. Already tight as it can be. Take this off right here. Open this up. There you go. Oh yeah, she's tight. She's all in there. Wipe off the excess. And that's it. Oh yeah. Alright. She's in there. Perfect. Alright, this is what I did. Lifted up the rear axle a little bit so it'll be at that ride height. And now I'm going to go torque it. Here we go. I already got it set to the right torque. I'm just going to turn it. There you go. Did it. There. His torque. Yep. This one is all done. Torque setting was 66 foot-pounds. 66 foot-pounds on this one. Alright. Now I'm getting ready to do the other side. Alright. Thank you for watching and get you on the next one. Take care now. Goodbye. And there it is. 200,026 603 miles. Record this, and so that way in the near future, if I ever wonder when was the last time that I installed rear shocks and what mileage was it when I did that, here it is. So every time I need to figure out how long I had these shocks, I'll just go back and look at that number right there. Alright. Add that in there too, so that way I know the mileage that it was that this car had before I put the rear shocks in. Alright. Alright. Perfect.